words, pictures, story, drawings, graphic novels, graphic memoirs, comics. How do I make these kinds of things? I'm Tom Hart, the #1 best-selling graphic novelist, and my course is Comics for Writers. It's designed for people like you who are writers who want to make that jump from written word to comics page. You're trying to make a graphic novel, a graphic memoir, graphic journalism, comic books, whatever you want to call them. That's what we're here for. Come into the studio and I'll show you how your words can lead the pictures, and I'll show you how the pictures can lead the words. I'll show you how you can use words and pictures both intertwined in this complex language full of rich metaphor that can enhance what you've already written and what you've already conceived of. Comics is a great medium, and you can have fun with it and learn it and master it. I'll show you some great examples of silent storytelling to get you started, but also some examples of text-heavy comics, and I'll show you how you can keep your words from being an info dump, and instead how they can be a part of a visually engaging story that keeps people reading. We'll look at some great examples, some classic examples, some rarely seen examples, and we'll try numerous exercises to get you using words and pictures better. Comics for Writers is one of my most popular courses at Sequential Artist Workshop. It's for people who know how to write. Maybe they've written stories or essays, and they know how to use words, but maybe they don't understand how words and pictures work together yet. This course will help you do that. And if all you want to do is write, then this course will help you prepare your script for your artist. And if you want to draw, well, we can help you at SAW with that too. So come join us. Thanks.